Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to InstallerGuru, where we make installation easy and hassle-free. I'm Sudip, and today I'm going to show you a super efficient way to install all the necessary free applications on your freshly installed Windows computer. Say goodbye to the tedious, time-consuming task of installing apps one by one. Let's dive in. First, head over to ninite.com. Ninite is a fantastic package management system for Windows that simplifies the installation process for a range of cool, free, and open-source applications. Trusted by millions of IT professionals for its simplicity, Ninite ensures you won't get any adware or toolbars with your installations. To get started, select the applications you need from the list. For this demo, I'm going to install some web browsers, media players, document management tools, developer utilities, and compression software, along with a few other essential apps for my fresh Windows setup. Once you've made your selections, click on the Get Your Ninite button at the bottom. This will download a small exe file to your computer. Run the downloaded exe file. Ninite will automatically start downloading and installing all the selected applications. It's that simple. The installation process might take some time depending on the number of applications you chose, so grab a coffee and take a break. When you return, you'll find all your applications installed without any further interruptions. And there you have it. All your applications are installed and their icons are neatly placed on your desktop. That's all for now. For more tech videos, tips and tricks, please follow and subscribe to InstallerGuru, where installation is made easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.